Lauge Jensen combines amazing design with engineering perfection to create motorcycles of the highest quality. At Lauge Jensen, building a motorcycle is a matter of pride that transcends mere professionalism. Extreme attention to detail is maintained through every single stage of production.
What is so unique with the Lauge Jensen motorcycle is that we are building the customer's dream. That means you can't come in here and say, I would like to have a motorcycle as he has, because I would like the customer to create his own dream.
A motorcycle is a very personal statement, and there are countless ways of designing one. The Lauge Jensen concept is based on a modular design that allows you to customize virtually everything about a bike to make it uniquely yours. Every detail receives the utmost attention. Depending on the level of customization, it can take many months to create a Lauge Jensen motorcycle.
The soul of Lauge Jensen motorcycle is 100% hand-built motorcycle. That means every motorcycle we build here is 100% hand-built to perfection.